Welcome everyone. Here we have a quick test of the Sony ECM CS3 COMICA CVM V02. Now for those of you on a budget, you might want to check these out. These are awesome mics, and what you're going to see is going to be a comparison between the Sony into the Tascam DR05, and then test number 2 is going to be the COMICA CVM V2. These are the price points here. So $20 for the Sony, very affordable, and then $40 for the COMICA. Now what you're listening to is this mic right now. So I'm recording this video, and this is the audio from this mic. Now, what's my opinion just before you listen to the test? I believe the COMICA is the winner here, due to the fact that it is an XLR mic, and it's being powered right now by my 2 preamp. So for those of you who do not have an XLR input, that might steer you away from this, because you cannot plug it into the mini stereo, which a lot of these DSLR cameras. Now I have a full video review of this mic, both inside and outside, and all the details, so be sure to check that out. But this video is a direct comparison between the two, and tell me in the comments which one do you think is the best. Now let's get to the footage and take a good listen, and in the comments tell me which one do you enjoy the most. Alright, thanks for watching, and I look forward to your feedback. Bye bye. This is test number 1 for the Sony ECM CS3, coming in at $18. This is the raw audio going directly from the mic into the Tascam DR05, being recorded in stereo. And this is a comparison versus the COMICA lapel mic, which would be for test number 2. So this is test number 1. You're checking the audio. 3, 2, 1. This is an audio test. The level on the Tascam DR05 is set at 50. And the pro with this mic is that it is connected via the mini stereo input, so there's no other thing to connect it to, and it's the phantom power directly on the Tascam 05. Audio test 3, 2, 1 for the Sony lapel mic. This is test number 2. This is the COMICA lapel mic. This is the CMV02. Testing audio 3, 2, 1. Now note that I had to turn down the level on the Tascam itself by half. So this is at level 25, because 50 would have been too loud compared to the Sony mic. And it's also being recorded through a preamp to get the use of the mic. Otherwise it would not work with the DR05. Now you can get these lapel mics with a mini stereo connection. I happen to have the one with the XLR, so I don't have phantom power, so I have to connect it to my pre-tube amp by PreSonus. So that's what you're hearing, but there is no other equalization or any other fix to this. This is the straight raw audio coming from the Tascam. Testing audio 3, 2, 1 with the COMICA lapel mic. 3, 2, 1 audio test.